O is the center of circle x square plus y square is equal to r square, and now is r is condition is given, r is always is greater than root 5 by 2, and suppose PQ is the chord of the circle and equation of the line passing through the PQ is a 2x plus 4y is equal to 5, then if the center of the circumcircle is triangle OPQ lie on the line, then the value of r. So suppose I'll just made by the, now see check, is a chord, is a condition is given, so I'll just use the one chord is a PQ. So this one is a PQ chord, right? And is the equation is given 2x plus 4y is equal to 5, right? Correct. After that, he say is another circle is a circumcircle of triangle OPQ. So O is a point center of this one. So OPQ is a triangle like this, and is a circumcircle. So now is, can you see that is a circle is like this? All the three vertex in this PQ. Now can you see? And he say the center of the circumcircle OPQ is a lie on the line. So I'll just make by the one line, and he say that is a lie on this line. X plus 2y is equal to 4. This now is a question, and it also is asking the radius of this one. So easily possible. Is the center is already given 0, 0, right? So can you firstly is connected this one to this one. Now is name use your choice. You can use the M or PQR. So you can use the R, right? Now or same thing. I'll just suppose is Z. That is the radius of this circumcircle. So I'll just use that is the name is PQRS, right? So OR is the radius of the another circle. Is a second circle, circle C2, and this one is a circle C1, right? So if you clearly see, then check. If you find the perpendicular distance from this PQ, firstly assume that is a point in terms of this one. So now can you see that y or if you suppose y is a y, then x is equal to 4 minus 2y. So is a point center of the circle. You can assume in terms of this one. Second thing, if you know that that is a distance is a perpendicular, both the line is perpendicular and both the equation is possible. This one is M is possible. So slope of OR is directly possible. How to y2 minus y1 because it's 0, 0, 0 is the second point. So y upon 4 minus 2y is the slope. Second is slope of PQ. Slope of PQ is directly is given 2 by minus 2 by 4 in this line. So directly minus 1 by 2 is possible. If your M1 M2 is you apply the minus 1, then directly your y coordinate is possible. M1 M2 M2 is equal to minus 1. If his y coordinate is possible, then his x coordinate also possible. Meaning his second center is possible. After that, you know, see that OP square. So OP square I'll just written in the true form. PS is a common in both the triangle. I'll just use this triangle because it's a need in a I just use this triangle. This triangle. So in both are the common, then we can you say that is PS square according to first triangle is the first triangle second OP square minus OS square. Same thing as second triangle. PS square is equal to PR square plus RS square. So in this one, OP is a radius of the first one. So I'll just assume that is R square. So R square is equal to, if both are equal, then R square is equal to PR square minus RS square plus OS square. And how to find the OS, RS or PR? It's a very easy. PR is a radius of this one. So distance from OR is a RS. So directly RS is possible. PR is a possible is a radius of the second one. Is I'll just assume that is a capital R. Second one is RS square. RS square meaning is R distance, perpendicular distance from PQ to center of the another circle. So the direct distance is a PRS. So if you apply the perpendicular distance is the RS square possible. Third thing is OS square. So OS is same as a perpendicular distance from in this side 0, 0 perpendicular distance in PQ. So you can just apply. So 3 perpendicular OR possible, RS possible, and QS possible. I just assume that is a perpendicular distance formula in two sides, and OS is a distance between 0 to point center of the second one. So after that is apply the PC square plus RC square plus OP square. Then is R square is equal to now is a two values. So easily possible is only calculation based. After that, so first is the diagram is very important. Now I hope you understand. Thank you.